And the rabbit over here. Trying to bite my nut. Tune and good. Hello. Hi, buddy. Oh, why did you do that? Oh, now you pinched my hole here. Oh, you near. I saw you. Why did you do bad thing here, huh? No, you gotta get out of my garden. Can't go in there. Tell him don't go over here, right there. Oh, you kind of run over here too. What happened? He bite my hole here. My neck, make a hole. You gotta get out. I'm not doing anything to you. I want you to get out of my garden. So naughty. Come on, you better get out. He went somewhere wrong. He's gone here. I'm gonna make some bricks. Put some bricks like this and cover it on the hole. One on the left and one on the right. See, that pin's not too close enough. Alright. That's what happened. Oh, yesterday was gathering big storm. My tomato had been over way far on the right side. I need a longer stick. Oh, years ago I saw two of them. They were following each other. There's one here too. There's one here. Hoping there's one here too. And there's some little. The one before him. My wife took care of them. There are like 8 of them. Right here too, behind the pole. Oh, the rabbit don't eat it. Also my pepper too. Banana pepper. Real banana pepper. You can green banana pepper. Oh, now I gotta cover this hole up. He's rubby right there. I saw his leg. He was standing by the pole. They gotta check him out. Let's go for the neighbor's house. Right there. Oh. I hope you don't fall to neighbors. Hey, buddy. You better get out of here. You be eating all my vegetables. You need to stay out of there. I'm not gonna do anything to you. Eating. So naughty. You are bad. Yeah, keep going. I'm gonna eat some grass. Not top of grass. nó cũ như là vàng tỏ khó rất là dùng dầu thế